Hey, this is Corey Murphy with the Murphy team. I'm super excited to introduce my brand new listing in Fallbrook. This property is not only in a great location, it is completely unique. Jackson Square is a landmark in Fallbrook, and it's 6 units. It's over 5,000 square feet and in a prime location. Come take a look. Jackson Square, where lasting memories are created and the essence of Fallbrook is celebrated. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you got any questions, please reach out to me and my team. Would love to help if we can.